Hola beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty. If it is your first time here, welcome to the channel that's all about all things beauty. And if you are already a part of the squad and have been rocking with me, welcome back. In today's video, I get a lot of questions in my DM on what I put on my curly hair to keep the curl defined and to keep the curl looking good. I am here to tell you and assure you that the product that I use, which is only one product, well, two. One is H2O, and then the other is this. It's kind of bright, you can't see it, but this is Cantu with Shea Butter for natural hair leave-in conditioning cream. It was referred to me by someone else, and I tried it and I love it, and I have been using it ever since. It keeps your curl defined all day. Now, I love big hair, and this is big, it looks good, but I have not shampooed this hair. You can see where it's a little frizzy. So what I'm going to show you is how I achieve a defined curl. First, my bundles are from @UniqueStrands and Quality Hair on Instagram. And this is the Kinky Curly. When they say Unique Strands and Quality Hair, this hair is great quality. I have been having this unit now over a year, and this hair is still kicking. I don't have problems with shedding or anything like that. So make sure you hit up Unique Strands and Quality Hair. Back to why we're here. Let's take a spray bottle and mist the hair. Make sure you saturate the hair. Make sure you get the ends really well. Make sure you get it from up here because you want everything in place. And then I take my Denman brush and I brush that water into the strands, making sure I totally saturate each strand. Brush all the kinks out. You can brush it. You see how that wave is defined. And if you need more water, spray more water. Denman brush. Brushing thoroughly, making sure the brush goes through every strand of hair. You can see a difference already. You see this side and you see this side. Curls are popping. Now that I have it saturated, I now take a generous amount, not a whole lot, which is like about this much. Can't really. I'm gonna move it back here so you can see, but like about this much. Rub it together and then start at the top and work my way through.
I just like the sound.
Going through the fingers, getting all of the product off my hands. And then if you want to add just a little bit more to make sure you get those ends, you can brush it back through again. This part is optional. You don't have to brush it back through. But I always tend to brush it back through to make sure I got it on all of the hair. Like so. Now this side. The same as the other side. Now I'm going to let it dry. I put the unit back onto the wig head, set it under a hooded dryer. Wait, let me say this first. If I am going somewhere and I'm wanting to wear my unit, then I set it under a hooded dryer. If If I'm not going anywhere and I have the time to let it just air dry, I let it just air dry. But at this point right now, for the sake of the video, I'll set it under a hooded dryer and I shall be back. The unit has been freshly dried. I set her under a hooded dryer for a few minutes. The ends are just still a little bit damp, but the majority of it is dry. You can choose to wear it like this, but I like big hair, so I kind of play with it a little bit and give it a little volume. Not too much. See how I just kind of puff it out just a little bit, but it's dry. And this is the way it looks. I will be able to wear it like this without having to put any product on it or shampooing it or anything for at least another week, maybe even 2, depending on how many times I wear the unit. But that is it. Get you a Denman brush, get you some Cantu leave-in conditioning cream, and some good old H2O. And there you have it. I'll see each of you back. Same place, same channel.